What up, YouTube? I'm back at it again. Another day. It's a good day. Sun is out. I'm actually at a convenience store. You know, I'm trying to find some good shade to do this shit. To do this thing. Today I'm gonna do some. The final step in this process is basically I'm gonna wet sand this because you can see it's rough. I'm just gonna get all these stuff out with a 600 grit sandpaper, and then after that, just gonna put some light coats of color on it. I called the dealership, I gave them the VIN number, and they basically tell me the color code for the car, and I gave the color code to the parts store. They mix it, and let me see if I can find that thing. Mix the paint and put it in a can, and that's basically it. You know, each and every car comes with a special kind of code, you know, that they use to get the color of the car. So now I'm about to prep this for paint and a clear coat. Before you put the color on this, you have to wet sand it to make it smooth, right? So you have to sand the primer. I'm gonna zoom up. Okay, you can see those little, you know, rough little dots. I'm gonna wet sand it with a 600 grit sandpaper and get all that stuff out. And then I think that should do it. So let's get it. God, when you have to improvise, I hope it works. Now, if you notice, I put a little bend right here. So spray the color on the car and it's dried, and you remove the tape, you're gonna see like a straight line. You don't want that, which is why you bend it like a little, you know, nick like this, a little curve, so the color will spread, you know, evenly, if that makes sense. But look, I don't have the words of the subject for this thing, so bear with me. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna sand it now, some wet sanding. With the 600, you can use your hand and just sand it, you know, doesn't matter. Yeah. You call this the ghetto fix. Give you a close-up look. So it's smooth right now, like real smooth right now. Just go a little bit more. You don't want to remove all the primer off the car. Just, and now I'm about to dry all this wet stuff off and get the color on. I know I don't have gloves, but you have to protect your lungs, right? So this should do it. Seen better days, but should work, know what I mean? So let's get it. How do I look? I look good, bro. Sheesh. Oh yeah, I'm just waiting for this thing to all dried up. You know what I mean? I'm a professional. Know what I mean? So yeah, it's still cold. I don't know if you can hear me, but this thing is squeezing the shit out my face. But yeah, just waiting. Almost there. This is all you know. This is all you know it's drying. You can see the wet areas. It's all dried up right here. It's dry now. So you have to wait till all of this is all looking like here. So yeah, let's wait for it. I'm waiting for my thing to dry, right? So I'm just gonna give a demo of my audio system.
Get the ganja. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, some of the blood clutches, boy. Eh? And you cook? No, sir. No, like Let's go. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, some of the blood. Crash with the code. I put it in my notes. Sell it. Like sell me have a store. We had the plug, no, the one I charge full. Please just crash with the code.
And no, that's the first coat, right? I'm gonna put at least 5 or 4, but you can apply as much coat as you want, lightly, and then see if you can, tell the difference. And then after, I'm gonna add the clear coat to it, and that's basically it. Just give it a few seconds to dry, and then the next couple more coats. So yeah, it's not hard, it's easy. I'm a professional, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, that's looking so good already, bro. Sheesh. Look at that, man. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Shit. No. So now I just put the first coat, clear coat on it. It's coming along pretty good. It's pretty shine. You know what I mean? It looks good. So now, I think that's the last coat. Looks alright, I guess. Shiny. Okay, that's done. Great. Wow, I see bubbles. Oh, I messed it up. I messed it up, bro. Jeez. Oh well.
And all I have to do is just repeat what I did on the other side of the car, and that should just easy, repetition. Hopefully it turns out good. And I have to change these as well. Just stay tuned. You know what I mean? Subscribe, like the video. So yeah, let's get it.